Hey guys, I'm Yene and today I'm gonna do a drawing to use for a cookie cutter. So you go on File and you click on Document Properties. The display unit is in millimeters. If yours is not, you have to change it. It's really important. Yeah. So we go back. Sorry for my voice. I'm a little sick. So you click on Draw Bezier Curve and you draw a random shape as usual. Now I'm gonna change the stroke style so you guys can see better. Now I click on Edit Path by Node. Yeah, I'm gonna start by draw a line. I hold Control to do this line. I'm gonna click right, duplicate, and turn it around. You can skip this part if you don't need this, but I'm doing this so I can see clearly where is the face and where I can do the ears. It's much easier, right? You can just watch me, and if you have any question, please comment below. I will do my best to help you. So now I'm doing the hair. Yeah, I'm doing the hair. So for this drawing, I'm not gonna do the eyes. This is the basic shape for a cookie cutter, and in another video I will go further. So stay tuned. This drawing is a request. You can comment below if it's what you wanted, and stay tuned for my other video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the button. It's free. It means you support me, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you. So you can just watch what I'm doing. Now it's time to remove these lines. See, it was really helpful. Click on Edit Path by Node if you need to do any modification. To resize correctly your drawing, always click on this lock, and after that you can resize it. Now it's time to do the cookie cutter. I'm gonna select the drawing and duplicate. Click right, duplicate. You don't see, but there is another shape. I'm gonna change the color. So you guys look. Yeah. So Control Z, go on path, and you click on outset. It's really important. Outset. See? The line changes. So we go back again and we do it as long as we want. So the space is really tiny right now. So I'm gonna go back again. Path, outset. It's the magic tool. Outset, yeah, until you're satisfied. I will duplicate and change the color so you guys can see. Look, Control Z, and I'm gonna go back again to do the handle, path, outset. And now this is magic. You hold Control and close parenthesis, and you can hit the close parenthesis as you want to do the handle. Yeah, this is the easy way, right? So we just did the handle. I'm gonna change the color. So the blue one, the middle of the blue lines have the handle. Now it's time to save. You click on Save As. You can save in SVG. I already saved it. Or you can save as a DXF. You click and save. I already saved it before. So as you can see, the base unit is in millimeters. It's really important. You save it. So that's it. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm not a pro, but I did my research and this is my first video about cookie cutter. Thank you for watching me. See you soon.